Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly and welcome to my little corner of YouTube. Today I am unboxing, I was gonna say bagging, unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just cannot talk. I think I've done too many videos today. This is my first subscription with Ipsy Glam Bag. I finally got off the wait list. So I missed the first one. This is the second one, I believe, that came out. So I'm happy to receive it finally. And just the size of the box, look at that. It's pink, it's cute, it's big. This is a big bag, or box. See, I keep saying bag, comparing to Boxycharm. But Boxycharm, their boxes get stuff. Like, I don't know how they put a lot of the stuff that comes in it, like how it fits. It's like magic. I'm hoping that the size of this box is not deceiving me, and we get some really good stuff in it. Last month, I believe, I've totally even forgot what last month is, but I think it was a good box. So this one is, I believe, $24.99. There's going to be a link in my description below if you want more information on Ipsy. You could go to check it out. So this is how it looks. And it says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." Glam Bag Plus. So that's a cute little slogan. So it does have the cushion. It's packaged very nicely. For the size of the box there's a lot of room in here. To tell you the truth, all this stuff probably would have fit in this size of box. So just if you're curious about that. I really like the way this looks. It says, "Hey Ipster," like hipster. Oh, that's cute. "Hey Ipster, your November Glam Bag Plus is here." So this is like a pamphlet. So this does tell you briefly everything that's in the bag. Actually, not brief. It has a full page of it, and it tells you the value of each product. So there's like a lot of information here. The first thing that's in there is this eyeshadow brush trio. These are really pretty. I can't really make out what that says. I think it's Slimless Glam. And then it has these little rhinestones. You get these 3 brushes. They are very pretty. And it retails for $45. And then next we have, this is my favorite. This is the Ofra Rodeo Drive Highlighter. The Ofra highlighters are my favorite highlighters. And that's it. As far as highlighters, they are my favorite highlighter. And this one retails for $35. So this is a win. So far, I'm really liking the box. Oh, this is the bag that we received. So this is a really good bag. I like that it's like a leather. I don't know if that's faux leather. Sure it is. But like to put your IDs in it. This is it has a lining. I really like this bag. And it's good enough to put your product. I'm going to just try to fit all my product in there as we go. Okay. This is a good size. And it's not like cheap material. It's pretty thick. And then this is the Makeup Geek Foiled Lip Gloss. I haven't had something from Makeup Geek in a long time. This is really pretty. I liked foil. A lot of people don't like foiled lip glosses. I do. I'm not really big on matte. I always end up like putting a gloss on my matte lipsticks. But foil, I don't. I'm going to put it right here. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Did I do it good enough? That's really pretty. This one retails for $12. Which one thing about Makeup Geek is that I love their products and they're not expensive at all. So this will go into our bag. Okay, so the next product is from Dr. Brandt, Needless No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I actually received this a couple of Boxycharms ago, and to tell you the truth, I haven't even tried it yet, but my aunt tried it and she loved it. She called me up right away like, "It works so good." So I went ahead and bought my mother one for Christmas. So now I have this extra one. So I might use this, I might throw this in a giveaway since I have one and I haven't tried it yet, which I really need to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this one in a giveaway, but from what I've heard, it's amazing. I just need to get down and try it myself. and this retails for $42. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Makeover, Make Every Moment Count, and this is considered a cheek palette. And I haven't seen this palette in stores, so I don't know if it's just an older palette or if it hasn't came out yet. In a lot of subscription boxes or bags, sometimes they put things before they actually come out. So I haven't seen it in the stores. So you have this really nice mirror, and at the bottom it says Double Duty Beauty, which is really cute. And the shade names from left to right is Live, Learn, and Love. And the swatches seem to be very pigmented. But it smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. And the packaging is really nice. I love Tarte's blushes. So some of my favorite blushes, or the one I use the most, is my Tarte blushes. I really do like their blushes. And then this retails for $32. Okay, so if I'm adding this right, it came out to $164, which is really good. And you only paid $25. And I really like this bag. So we're gonna go ahead and we got our bag. We got our highlighter, which I love. The brushes I love all except one. I love the lip gloss, the foil lipstick. This, I haven't used it, but I heard it's amazing. So even for me, if I give it to somebody, this is a win. And then the palette is a win. This is a really good box. I don't know if this month any of my subscriptions, I've liked every product like this. These are like really good products. This is a really good box, so I'm really excited. It looks like Boxycharm is having a little competition so far, because who knows, boxes tend to be really good in the beginning and then slowly months later they're not as good. This is still a new subscription. Let's see what the next couple of months or going into the year, what they have in store for us. So I am excited, but I really do like this box and I'm continuing to order it. Okay, so let me know in the description, what items did you get? I know there's other variations, so let me know what items you got that I didn't get. And what do you think of the box so far? Do you get Boxycharm or any of these other subscriptions? How is it comparing to the other boxes for you? Are you seeing the same thing I'm seeing? It seems like it's going to be a really good subscription. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss an unboxing, a video, a spoiler, and anything else that I might have in store for you. As always, you're beautiful, you're amazing, and don't let anyone tell you any different. I love you, and have a blessed day.